Alright, so we were able to remove the SAM unit. So that's where all the holes and the pinouts were. So we soldered it all out and then the board came along. Now damage was on this side. If you can see, I've used isopropyl alcohol to remove all the residue from here, and from here you can still see some marks of the corrosion. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean out with the isopropyl alcohol, and then once that's done, I'm also gonna check the continuity on the points to make sure nothing has actually corroded. So yeah, after that, I'm just gonna put it back together, hopefully, and hope for the best. Alright guys, so we have put the fuse box back, put all the different sockets and plugs and everything's done. Now I've kept it like this to test it out, and when we started the car started straight away, so no issues with starting anymore. So I hope this one actually helps you. I hope your board is not as corroded as the others. So just be careful about this part. See how that there's a hole in there. The water seeps right through it and then sits and splashes on this part. Obviously it's covered, but still it has the plastic part here, which is having a foam on the back. Now that foam slowly grabs the water and then condensation takes place inside this unit, and then has corrosion again. So just be careful about this, and then yeah, you'll be okay to go. If you have any questions, I'm happy to take it in the comments.